is redox reaction. So reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously so it means simply you can write redox. It has two components, oxidation and reduction. Now the question is, what is oxidation? Oxidation is gain of oxygen. Reduction is loss of oxygen. Second, it is loss of electron. Says gain of electron is reduction. Similarly, loss of hydrogen. In reduction, gain of hydrogen. So this is the basic difference, and you can say the definition of oxidation. So what we have seen here, we have seen what is oxidation and reduction. Very common method to learn it, oil rig, oil rig. So what is that? O is oxidation, is loss. Oxidation is loss. Reduction is gain. So let's take an example. Na plus Cl2 gives us NaCl. If we're gonna balance it, it's 2 NaCl here and 2 Nas here. Now the question is, commonly if you're gonna see, you could say, oh, there is no oxygen, there is no hydrogen, then how could it be oxidation and reduction here? So, but oxidation and reduction happening here, it's a redox reaction happening. Why? Because in definition we have seen there is a loss of electron and the gain of electron is the definition, is in the definition. So let's just see based on that. Sodium, if it's, we're going to see its atomic number is 11. What is its electronic configuration? 2, 8 and 1. While chlorine is 17, and what is its electronic configuration? 2, 8 and 7. But in case of NaCl, here Na is in ionic form, that is Na plus and its electronic configuration is 2 and 8. Chlorine is also in ionic form. It's a Cl minus, and its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8. So what we have seen? We have seen here there is gain of electron. So we can say chlorine, this here to here is what? It is gain of electron is what? Gain of electron is reduction. So this is reduction happening here. While if you're gonna see in sodium, we can see this was lost. It was nothing. It was becomes 0, isn't it? So because that's what becomes 0. So what is that? It's a loss. That tells us about loss of electron. So loss of electron is what? It is oxidation. So we can see now sodium Na to Na plus, there is oxidation, while chlorine to Cl minus is reduction. So this is a redox reaction. Redox reaction. So this is the basic concept behind. It's not necessary that oxygen should present. We can take one example of oxygen also, of oxidation. Oxidation, let's say normally like C plus O2 gives us CO2. So here what you can see, there's a gain of oxygen, isn't it? Yeah, there is a gain of oxygen because carbon was alone, oxygen was added to it, so we can say this is oxidation. But yeah, it's all right. So this is also, you can see clearly, I mean, if oxygen is present and if it's been added, it's a gain of oxygen, that's okay, fine, it's also oxidation. But if oxygen is not given, then also the oxidation happening, and that's clear by this. Okay, all right.